All employers have the responsibility to protect the health and safety of their employers regardless of their occupation or industry. For construction workers who is exposed to high risk environments, there are additional dangers which must be considered. Hi, I am Anbu, founder of Equaspaces, and we are into real estate consulting. Now let's see 10 essential safety measures for construction site. And before even going into safety measures, let's understand the various accidents incurred at construction site. Major accidents are caused due to height falls and accidents due to electricity and equipments, fire accidents, and accidents are caused due to no safety gears or no safety protocols followed and lack of safety trainings, and there are no proper warning signs, work site inspection is not being done, and also due to falling debris. So the above mentioned are some of the accidents and fatalities that are happening due to the ignoring of essential safety measures. Now let's go into the safety measures that to be followed in the construction site. To avoid height falls, use full body harness while working at heights. The harness and the lanyards should be inspected regularly. The worker have to check the equipment prior using it. This could be difference between the life and death. The worker should use ladders, lifts and railings properly to avoid falling. And what can we do to avoid accidents due to electricity? Never try to repair energized equipment because the current flows in that. Always use appropriate insulated rubber gloves and goggles while working on electric circuits. Always use insulated tools while working with in electricity. Avoid wet hands when working with electricity as it increases the conductivity of the electric current. Disconnect the power source before repairing the electrical equipments. And what can we do to avoid accidents due to heavy equipments? Stay out of the line with heavy equipment while working. There has to be an effective communicational signals between the operator and the ground workers. Identify and mark the danger zones with barriers, fencings or caution tapes. Every heavy equipment has a responsibility to inspect their machines on regular basis. Well maintained equipment is safe. The operators must be trained on the specific machine they use to avoid accidents. Now let's look into the personal safety gears. Personal protective equipment, the PPE, must be worn at all times when on construction site. Workers must wear hard hat for head protection, use safety glasses to protect their eyes, wear high visibility safety vest so in case of any accidents they can be seen clearly. All workers must wear long sleeves shirts, full pants, boots while working on the construction site. And let's look into some of the safety protocols that to be followed. Stay away, stay aware, and stay alive in your working environment. Wearing protective clothing and equipment in the workplace is more important. Use the right tool. Learn to use the equipment and the tools you use. Keep your workplace neat and tidy to avoid fire and shock. Report any damages or unsafe conditions immediately so that it gets repaired and avoid accidents. Keep the first aid box at a reachable distance. Be careful because even a minute of delay or carelessness can cost your life. Let's see what are the safety measures to be taken while working in the case of fire accidents. In case of fire, reach out to a safe place. The exit route should be clear and appropriately signed and lit. Temporary fire doors should be a part of the construction plan. This will protect escape routes and limit damage to the building. Fire detection and alarms must be installed in every construction site. Fire extinguishers required will be determined by the risk and hazard of the site. Next, let's see what's the importance of safety training. Training provides basic awareness on safety in construction site. It helps to identify the risks and hazards involved in the workplace. The rules and responsibilities of the worker should be explained. The usage of various tools and equipment used in the construction site should be demonstrated very clearly to the workers. This will help in the reduction of injuries and also improve the safety culture in the workplace. Let's see the importance of warning signs. Construction sites without signages will leave their workers unaware of the risk around them. So, workplace signages are very important. Highly visible safety signs can help prevent injuries. It ensures the workers and also the visitors aware of any dangerous hazards in the working environment. Now, let's talk about the worksite inspection. Routine inspection is a crucial part of construction project. It helps to prevent injuries and illness in the workplace. Regular workplace inspection identifies the existing and potential hazards. They determine the corrective action and monitor the steps that are taken to eliminate the hazards. Now, let's see what to be done to escape from falling debris. Always wear hard hats when work is being performed overhead. Stock all the materials securely to prevent from sliding or falling. Use debris nets to grab falling objects. So the above are the safety measures that should be taken while working in a construction site. Having a proper construction site with safety measures can save lives of workers and help in smooth, efficient, and progressive construction activities, and also helps to build organized and safe construction place to work. Thank you.